Hey Shiloh, what you doing?
Daydreaming.
About what?
Essential oils.
There are some days that are just made for daydreaming, which is perfect for our Daydream roll-on recipe.
And if you're a subscriber, this little guy comes in your recipe box for you.
For this recipe, you're gonna need 2 drops of Happy Joy, 2 drops of Lava, our new essential oil blend, which is positive and uplifting and energizing, and 1 drop of Geranium, which is an uplifting but calming aroma. And we're using fractionated coconut oil. Along with that, you'll want a roll-on container.
To start with this recipe, you'll want to take the cap off and get this little roll-on off. If you can't get it off by hand, you can use a butter knife or some floss.
So first we'll add our essential oils so that we can mix them together before we add the carrier oil. To make it easier, if you have a funnel at home, that can be really helpful, but you can just drop it into the bottle too. So we'll add 2 drops of Happy Joy and 2 drops of Lava, our newest blend, and 1 drop of Geranium. All right, so we'll just get those oils into the bottle and then swirl it a little bit to mix it. And then fill it the rest of the way with fractionated coconut oil. Then just put your cap back on and then shake to mix so that the essential oil gets diluted throughout the carrier oil. And then it's ready to be used. Then apply it to your pulse points, breathe in, and daydream. If you want to learn more about the oils used in this recipe, be sure to check out our YouTube channel where we have videos just on essential oils. Thanks for watching. To learn how to use essential oils in the easiest way possible, make sure you hit subscribe to our recipe box at simplyearth.com/box.
See you later.
Hey Shiloh, what you doing?
Daydreaming.
About what?
Essential oils.